Dalai Lama Ji is a blessing to the world, and his message is very clean, clear and bold, that we are here on this earth to be in peace, not in pieces. How we can make this world a better world, not a bitter world. We are seeing the wars everywhere, but his clear message is not war, but the peace. Peace is the way, love is the way, compassion is the way. Healing is the way, help is the way, and His Holiness given always this beautiful a green message. And we celebrate together here 90th celebration. I think it's not here only in Dharamshala. This is the blessing to the world.
이제 마찬가지로 그때를 하나 그 로케이션 나로냐 아주 시시연금 때문에 이거를 근데 되고 쳤죠 이제 뭐 도시 성出这个model去生活下去生出去的容易嘛而且这个讲不了的两个他心里上的一系写的啊
We are not escaping from that. We have dealt for the centuries and we will deal with that.
Message of the Buddha. When the Buddha was passing away and his followers surrounding him and weeping and crying, when you are gone, the light is gone, who is going to replace you? The Buddha said, when I am gone, my teaching is my representative. He did not appoint any one single individual as a representative. So, to be correct, we should, think about this, not just thinking about one person, but the universal message. And message will remain forever.
So understand this. His Holiness the Dalai Lama, with his message of knowledge and tradition and compassion and purity of soul and love, he will live a long time and his legacy will live forever. But to you, President of China, you'll be gone and nobody will give you credit for anything.
I will reborn on this planet and serving humanity as much as I can. That's practical. 사시티가리아 직당 내 개가를 했으니 직도나 제하럽시다. 에네 집만은 접대하지 이거야리 저들이 인도 사물로야 투시스 쇼이 에네 간다 직날이야 직sem네 직당 내버로 제체 뒤야나 날이야 개가 투질이야 차다 약수도 갈 거라서나 그냥 서버상 싫었지 직셈은 직도 투대에서로 콩도 사야 서로 지금 낙심 내심 기하고 서로 염에 그들이야 내 돈도 장어시 죄송아 어떤 삼바삼 붙이다 나도 나리야 버드릭 차다 약수도 되리 사들이 인도 대문어 수요가 수이네다 점리션 지링 디샤다 셔버려 되기 내 조금 참을로 디섬샤로 치사이
Best gift for me on birthday, please keep your own mind, your own heart more compassionate. And myself, I can assure to you, the rest of my life, I committed serving humanity and protection of climate, the condition. So, since I become a refugee, now settled in India, I fully utilized India's freedom and religious harmony. So, I want to assure to you, the rest of my life, I fully committed this work. And then also, you see, I really appreciate the Indian sort of concept, secular, without religion, but keep honest, karuna and ahimsa. So, dear my friend, on my birthday, this is my gift. I lost my own country. You see, this is not just my life story, but you see, many things you see involved. This kind of story can be helpful in dream. Almost I think never I feel I'm Dalai Lama. Only Buddhist monk. Sorry. Our approach, not based on faith or superstition, maybe occasionally little superstition.
Time always moving. No force can stop that. I myself, you see, getting older and older. A lot of difficulties, a lot of challenge, but I have no regret. No regret. Life should be meaningful life, purposeful life. That's important.